For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
As the pandemic continues to create havoc in the country, Delhi government has decided to celebrate Independence Day in a low-key manner. The decision was taken in order to curb the spread of COVID-19 in the national capital. Delhi government has also decided to cancel cultural programs that were organized on Independence Day this year. The venue of the program is shifted from Chhatrasal Stadium to the Delhi Secretariat.
Every year, the Delhi government celebrates Independence Day at the Chhatrasal Stadium. But this year, due to COVID-19, such mega celebration would not be possible. The Delhi government has decided to celebrate Independence Day at the Delhi Secretariat.
Interestingly, our government has decided to invite Corona warriors, including a doctor, nurse, and a plasma donor for the event. Gopal Rai further stated that the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will hoist the flag at the main event conducted at Delhi Secretariat.
For years, the Delhi government has been holding a grand event at Chhatrasal Stadium on the occasion of Independence Day. The Chief Justice of India and Chief Justice of Delhi High Court are also among those who have been included in the guest list for the Independence Day event. During Independence Day celebrations, anti-COVID-19 measures such as social distancing will strictly be followed.
This year's celebrations will be a restricted event both in the national capital and across the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive at the Delhi's Red Fort in the morning on the 15th of August. Prime Minister's schedule at the Red Fort would include a guard of honor by 3 branches of the defense. Close to 22 soldiers from Army, Navy and Air Force will take part in the event.
32 soldiers and officers will take part in the national salute, while 350 Delhi police personnel will also be present. During the ceremony, all soldiers will stand in 4 lines and follow social distancing. All 350 Delhi police personnel taking part in the program have been shifted to a housing colony at Delhi Cantonment.
In addition, all the soldiers and police personnel participating in the ceremony have been instructed to limit their movement. Another big change in this year's Independence Day celebration will be the absence of school children in the event. Every year, around 3,500 children would take part in the Independence Day event. On the other hand, media presence will also be restricted at the ceremony. Media presence will be restricted during the event, with photographers who will be in close proximity to the Prime Minister required to undertake a coronavirus test. Only those whose test results are negative will be allowed. There will be limited passes for reporters who will be confined to the foreground. This year, India will celebrate 74th year of independence. Security has been tightened in the national capital ahead of Independence Day celebrations.